Hello, what's up and welcome to Give Mukumbi FBA channel. So, today we're going to talk about Amazon PPC strategies, the ultimate guide for 2022. So, in our today's subtopic, we're going to discuss on why is PPC important for Amazon sellers. As a consumer, shopping ultimately increasingly shifts online and overwhelmingly to Amazon.com. E-commerce brands and sellers have immense opportunities to succeed, both with the influx of online retail traffic comes more competitors looking to capture the most sales. Having an effective PPC advertising strategy is all about essential for Amazon businesses of all sizes. After all, there are over 350 million products on Amazon and listings, and easily you can get lost in the noise. And while the organic ranking, the place where your product is all but essential for Amazon businesses of all sizes. After all, and while the organic ranking, the place where your product appears in search of all sizes, after all is important. Advertisements help increase your reach on the platform. How to create an Amazon PPC strategy. Here are the basics aspects of building a solid Amazon PPC management strategy. Number 1, test out each type of PPC, add campaign, and play around with all automatic manual keyword targeting to see what's best for your brand. Number 2, perform detailed keyword research using Jungle Scout keyword. Number 3, when starting out, set daily budgets and default bids 50 to 100% higher than other adjustment or what Amazon recommends. Let ad campaigns run for at least 2 weeks before running reports and ad adjustments. Use ad reports for your automatic campaigns to find keywords for manual campaigns. Before adjusting or removing a keyword from a manual campaign, make sure the keyword gets at least 10 clicks before you remove it. Number 7, continue reviewing your ad reports once a week, subtracting, adding, and adjusting keywords as needed. Okay, so Amazon PPC is quite tricky, and you have to be consistent in the ads so that you can gauge your adjustments and how to place your ads and something like that. Choosing which type of Amazon PPC is right for your business. Amazon offers sellers several different types of ads to use with customizable targeting options. When starting out, we recommend that you try all the ads types available to you, especially automatic targeting ads and manually targeting sponsored products ads. These two ad types help get the best prices. Okay. Plus the best picture of what sort of keywords and such terms you could use or you could target on Amazon. We'll go over all the PPC options below. But first, it can be helpful to consider your keywords and search terms you should target on Amazon. strategies in terms of Amazon PPC strategies in terms of your estimated return on ad spend, ROS, especially when working with a constrained ad budget. In other words, you'll want to consider how revenue you'll earn in sales for every dollar you spend on your ads. You must the ads you give out must be earning more on your sales. Like any other business, you have to make profit. Certain ad types and strategies yield a higher ROAS than others. For example, running sponsored brands ads generates the most sales of all. The PPC types, as do close and lose match keywords. Targeting strategies. The price of your product matters too, while ROAS generally increases with the price. Generally increases with the price of the product. Those in the $21 to $30 price range hit a sweet spot with a great ROAS than both more and less expensive products. Of course, it takes time and practice to optimize PPC campaigns and your mileage. It takes time and practice for your PPC campaigns, and many mileage vary. But knowing a ballpark return on investment PPC strategy will benefit your brand. It can be difficult at first to figure. It can be difficult at first to figure out that specific PPC bids as top challenge in the most. 42% of Amazon sellers cite managing their PPC bids as a top challenge in running their businesses. By trying out each ad types, you can find out what's running for your business. And also, it works for you and doesn't. Then, once you have enough data, you can remove ads that you feel aren't working while boosting those that do perform well. Now, let's go to the types of Amazon PPC ads. 79% of Amazon ads SMB sellers advertise their product on or off Amazon. Of those, here is the breakdown of sellers who use Amazon pay-per-click PPC advertising. 77% use sponsored products ads. 39% use sponsored brands ads, and 30% use sponsored display ads. Let's discuss the types of Amazon PPC available in order of their popularity among third-party sellers. Number 1, sponsored product ads. Sponsored products ads appear in search results and product listings pages and can closely resemble organic listings. In this, the most common type of Amazon PPC ad, sponsored product ads. Sponsored product ads appear in search results and product listings pages, and can closely resemble organic listings. In this most common type of Amazon PPC ad used by 66% of third-party sellers. When creating sponsored products ads, there are two types of keywords targeting strategies a seller can use: automatic targeting and manual targeting. Let's explore their differences. Automatic targeting. The automatic targeting involves targeting keywords that Amazon's algorithms determines are related to your product listings. Okay. Over time, Amazon uses data that it collects from shoppers, clicks, and purchases, then adjusts and the ads better to suit your listings and increase conversion. Alright? Within automatic targeting, sellers can use 4 different keywords match. What are these 4 different keywords match? Let us know about them. Attributed sales. The product types or sales generated within one week of clicks on your ads. Sales data can take up to 48 hours to populate so. As a result, sales data is not available in the equations. Yesterday data range, you can view the individual's sales, tools, or totals for advertisements, products, and other products in the campaign performance report. Impressions. The number of times your ads were displayed once identified. It may take up to 3 days to remove invalid clicks from your report. Clicks from the last 3 days may be adjusted due to click invalidation. Clicks. The number of times your ads were clicked. Once identified, it may take up to 3 days to remove invalid clicks from your report. Clicks from the last 3 days may be adjusted due to click invalidation. What is PPC? Why is PPC important for Amazon sellers? As a customer, shopping increasingly shifts online and overwhelmingly to Amazon.com. E-commerce brands and sellers have immense opportunities to succeed, but with an influx of online retail traffic comes with more competition. Competitors looking to capture the most sales. Having an effective PPC advertising strategy